Dear learners of Standard 7, welcome back to my today's class. Hopefully you all are fine, safe and sound by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Previously, I had discussed with you about the satellite and full moon and new moon. Hope that you have understood that content nicely. Today, I am going to discuss from your book the other luminaries of the solar system. You had an idea about the solar system, its 8 planets and satellites. And there are also 2 types of satellites, the natural satellite and artificial satellite. And in my previous content, I had discussed with you about the natural satellite and the artificial satellite both. So, about the galaxy, sun, planet, satellites, you know. Today, I will discuss with you about the another 3 heavenly bodies. Dear learners, in Standard 7, you have learned about the 7 heavenly bodies or astronomical objects, bodies or the celestial bodies. Isn't it? So, on that 7 astronomical objects, the planet, sun, galaxy, that means stars, satellites, there, and there are other luminaries in the solar system without the sun, the planets and the satellites. What are those? They are the comet, meteor and the asteroids. So today I will discuss with you about the comet, meteor and the asteroids. So astronomical object or celestial body or the heavenly body. Just a little bit knowledge again we will gather, that is the natural objects which is located outside of Earth atmosphere. So these natural objects are not the included part of our Earth atmosphere. These astronomical objects are the part of the universe or the outer space, such as the moon, the sun, an asteroid, planet or star, etc. Basically, there are 7 major astronomical objects or heavenly bodies are present in the solar system. These are planet, satellite, galaxy, star, comet, nebula and meteor. So dear learners, so today we are going to discuss about the asteroid, comet and the meteors. So first we will know what is asteroid. Follow here, in our solar system, in between the planet Mars and Jupiter, some small particles you are observing. In Bengali these are known as Grohanupunjo or asteroids, and they make a circular, they made a circular belt. These belts, this belt is known as asteroid belt. So basically asteroids is situated in the planets, in between the planets Mars and Jupiter. So they revolve around the sun. They are small in size than the planets. So always remember the 8 planets are rotating around the sun and revolving around the sun, and also these asteroids, they are smaller than the planets. They are rocky and metallic object, and these also revolve around the sun. So follow here the asteroids. Asteroids are small rocky objects that orbit the sun. Although asteroids orbit the sun like the planets, they are much smaller than the planets, and most asteroids in our solar system can be found in the asteroid belt. In previous slide you have seen it, and they remain between the Mars and Jupiter. A luminary with a diameter less than 1.6 km to 805 km is called asteroids. So they are like small planets. Now you will know about comet. In Bengali it is Dhumketu. Comets are basically dusty snowballs which orbit the sun. So these are also the astronomical objects of the solar system. They are made of ices such as water, carbon dioxide, methane and ammonia mixed with dust. These materials came from the time when the solar system was formed. That means after the creation of the sun, these astronomical objects was formed. So these astronomical objects, the comets, also the part of our solar system we know, and they are made of what? Solid. that means gaseous, icy and dust particles. But it turns into, what happened? But it turns into gas easily when it gets heat. So by getting the heat, it becomes scattered in the sky. When the comets go near the sun, it is scattered in the sky, turning into gas or solid due to the heat of the sun. Then it turns into a watchable tail like broom. So when this comet gets the heat of the sun, it turns into a watchable tail like broom. Sometimes it is found from the earth. So have you seen this type of comet? What is this? Most prominent or famous comet was, and in the earth, what is this? That is the Halley's comet. And some comets are found after many years in the sky of the earth, such as this is the Halley's comet, which appears every 75 years in the sky. It appeared in the year 1911 and 1986. It will be appeared again in 2062. So now we will know the information about the Halley's comet, which is also known as the short period comet. Halley's comet or the comet Halley, officially designated I1P/Halley, is a short period comet visible from Earth every 75 to 76 years. And Halley is the only known short period comet that is regularly visible to the naked eye from Earth, and the only naked eye comet that can appear twice in a human lifetime, as it appears every 75 years after in the sky. And this Halley's comet last appeared in the inner parts of the solar system in the year 1986, and it will next appear in mid 2062. So in your book it is written 2062, and it will next again appear in the mid 2061. Now we will know about the meteor. Dear learners, have you seen a fireball flying all on a sudden at night? These are called what? Meteors. Meteors are the smallest luminaries which revolve around the sun. And this solid small piece, when comes in contact of atmosphere, it burns out. So you know about the atmospheric layer, especially when it comes in the layer of atmosphere named stratosphere, it burns out. So what is the meteor? A meteoroid is a small rocky or metallic body in outer space. Meteoroids are significantly smaller than the asteroid and range in size from small grains to 1 meter wide objects. So it's very small. That is why it is found running away or falling down like a fire sphere. Sometimes big put out meteors create the big holes while they fall down. So dear learners, these other luminaries of the solar system you have learned now. So next day I will come with another content. So till then, stay safe, stay blessed at home. Thank you all.